Hey guys, today in this video I will show you how we can make two people hugging video from image or photo. So currently this type of video is being viral on TikTok or Instagram. So let's know how we can make such type of video. So for that I have these four sample images which I will use in to make such type of video. So at first you need to combine two pictures in one. So I have these four sample images. So to combine them, at first I will select them. Now create this and making this type of video, make in this type of resolution. Manage your photo and now save them. As you can see, picture has been saved. So to make this picture into video, hugging video, at first open any internet browsing application and then search here video AI. Open this first link. Now click this try video. Now sign in with Google. Click this continue. Now upload your photo from here. As you can see, picture is uploading. Now write same prompt here, two people hugging. Now click this create for credit. As you can see, our video is ready. Let's watch. It's good. So to download this, press this download icon. As you can see, it's downloaded.